Hello students, how are you? Fine? Very good. Students, yesterday we have learned how to write capital A to Z, capital alphabet A to Z. Today we are going to learn small a to Z, how to write small a to Z. So look here, look in your notebook. There are 4 lines. Red line, first blue line, second blue line and red line. Now you have to start from first blue line. Look here. For write small a. Write one curve, standing line and one. This is small a. Then who will tell me which is the next letter? Who will tell me? Yes, you stand up. Yes, B. Small b. Look here how to write small b. Standing line from red line to second blue line and from first blue line to second blue line. One curve join this. This is small b. Now which letter is next? Yes, small c. So start from first blue line, a curve. This is small c. Which letter is this? Small c. Now who will tell me the next letter? The next letter D. Small d. A curve and standing line. Which letter is this? D. Small d. Yes. Now which letter is next? E. Small e. Look here how to write small e. E for elephant. E for elephant. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant. Now which letter is next? Who will tell me? Yes, stand up and say. Very good. F. Small f. Small f. The next letter is small f. Now which letter is next? F for fish. F for fish. The next letter is G. You have to start from first blue line, a curve, standing line and turn. This is small g. G for grapes. Now which is the next letter? Small h. Very good. Very good. Now, which is the next letter? Yes, I. Small I. From first blue line to second blue line, you have to write one standing line and write here one dot. This is small I. Next letter is J. Look here, from first blue line, you have to write from first blue line to come down, one standing line and turn. And turn. This is small j. Small j. Which letter is next? K. K for kite. From red line to second blue line, write one standing line and a stroke from first blue line. Come to middle on this line and down. Another slanting line. This is small k. K for? Yes. Who will tell me K for? Very good. K for kite. The next letter is L. L for? Yes, lion, the king of the jungle. The next letter is M. Right from first blue line to second blue line, one standing line. one standing line, go up and up. This is small m. Small m. M for monkey. The next letter is N. One standing line, go up, come down. This is small n. N for nest. And from first blue line to second blue line, you have to write one circle. This is small o. The next letter is from first blue line, go down, blue line to red line, a standing line. And from first blue line to second blue line, write one cut. This is small p. Now look here. From first blue line to red line, write one standing line and a right curve from first blue line to second blue line. This is Q. Now R. Write one standing line, go up and turn. This is R. Small r. Look here again. R. Now S. From first blue line to second blue line, you have to write small s. Now T. From red line to second blue line, write one standing line, turn and a slipping line on first blue line. This is small t. Now U. From first blue line to second blue line, one standing line, turn, go up, come down. This is small u. Now small v. One slanting line from first blue line to second blue line, go up. This is small v, right between two blue lines. Now W for watch. Very good, very good. Now next letter is small x, right between two blue lines. And next letter is y. And the last letter is z, small z. Now look here. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r, small t, small s, small t, small u, small v, small w, small x, small y and small z. Have you understood how to write these small alphabets in your notebook? Okay, very good. Then you have to write this classwork full one page in your notebook, and while writing you have to say and write.